What if I told you a parrot once had the secrets of an empire? Let's dive in. Meet Ben, the parrot. But not just any parrot. Ben lived in the Mughal Empire, centuries ago. The Mughals were super powerful, ruling over India with grand palaces and epic battles. Ben wasn't your average pollywannacracker parrot. Nope. He was the royal messenger. Yeah, you heard that right, this little birdie carried secret messages from one palace to another. And guess what? He could speak multiple languages. Can your parrot do that? But it wasn't all fun and games. Ben had to dodge enemy spies and evil cats. Talk about a feather-raising adventure. Yet, through thick and thin, Ben remained loyal and brave. He became a legend in his own right. So, next time you see a parrot, remember Ben, the feathered hero of the Mughal Empire. Pretty cool, huh? Give this video a thumbs up if you want to hear more epic tales. See ya!